Hello everyone, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Today we're going to focus on 5 different exercises to work your chest, body weight only. So grab your mat and we're going to start right here on the wall. I have 2 options for you here. Do you remember in the previous workouts, we've done this one before, okay, several times, okay, you're keeping your elbows by your side. So that will be option number 1. So you're going to see here, moving as a block, inhale down, exhale to push away from the wall. Now, if you want to work your chest as well and your shoulders, triceps, you're going to open your elbows, okay? I don't do chest very much with some people because if they have already rounded back and shoulders, I need to work their backs to open more the shoulders. So stretch the front, but work their back, okay? So you do this one. If you have a rounded back, I want you to focus on your triceps. If you're okay, good posture, you're going to do chest right here, okay? Let's go. Shoulders are down. Inhale. Exhale to press away. We're going to go for 10 reps. I have started. Let's go. Push, exhale, inhale to lower. Let's go for 8, 7. Shoulders are always down. 6, 5. So slower, harder. 4, 3, 2. Nice. And 1 more. Good. And release. Okay, the exercises are going to progressively be a little bit harder. Always listen to your body. I'm going to give options, but sometimes you might skip some of them. Okay, your next one. Right here. We're going to do push-ups. Same thing. I want you to stay on your all fours. There's 2 ways of doing it. Wider hands, go down and up. Okay, this is easier. If you want to create or do a cardio, I've done that in a workshop one day. It was a cardio, but my chest, my shoulders were so sore. So I want you to do that as well. So you're going to go slow, up and down, or you're going to pump it up. Okay? Make sure your shoulders are staying down and watch your nose. Let's go. Pump it up, down and up, down and up. Okay, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Are you still keeping your shoulders down? Good. And slowly release. Okay, let's go right on your back. We're going to do a bridge. We're going to keep the butt up. Arms are here. Keep the shoulders in the pocket. They should stay in contact with the floor. I'm going to open one arm at a time. And I'm going to inhale, exhale to come back. Okay, just like that. You're getting tired. Just bring the butt down. You can also be on your heels if you want to make it a little bit harder. So I'm just doing body weight, but if you want to use weights because you have some home, go for it. 6. Keeping the hips parallel to each other. 5. Are you still squeezing your cheeks together? Good. 4. And 3. Beautiful. 2 more. Looking straight up at the sky. Ooh, I feel my glutes. 1 more. Nice. Good. And release. Bring your knees to your chest if you need it. Okay, your other 4th exercise. This one won't be for everybody. You do that only if you're strong enough. We're going to do a low push-up. I do that often in my yoga. So low push-up, and then cobra, and then downward facing dog. This is not for everybody. If you have shoulders injuries, please be careful. And again, you can slowly come down on your knees. Inhale, cobra, shoulders away, and exhale, downward. But you can also do it from your toes, low push-up, cobra or up dog, and downward facing dog. Okay, so let's try to do 10 reps. If it's getting too hard because you started with option 2, go back with option 1. Let's go. We're going to start with a plank. Inhale, exhale low, Inhale up, cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward. Don't be afraid to go to the easier option. Oh, I went to the gym today and I did my back, bicep, triceps. So I feel it. I feel my glutes even. Okay, let's go again. 5 more. Woo. In 4. And 3. Oh, 2 more. Oh. And 1 more right here. Oh, yeah. I do feel it. Beautiful. And slowly release. Oh, your last exercise. We're going to do a plank. Again, I'm going to give you options. 3. You can even stay right here in your all fours. You can do a plank from your knees, plank from your toes, or from your hands. Right here on your hands is always a little bit more, it's a little bit harder. And I have a 5th option. Wide hands, narrow feet. We're going to hold it there. Listen to your body. I give you 5 options. Let's go breathe. That's it. So make sure there's no holes between your shoulder blades. I want you to push your shoulder blades away from each other. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and child's pose. Let's relax right here. I'm warm. Good, and release. Okay, let's pause this video, guys. It's pretty warm in here. It's over 44 degrees Celsius. Let's have water and let's come back. We're going to repeat again, second time. Welcome back. Second set. Let's start right here on the wall. So do you remember your 2 options? You're going to do tricep, keeping your elbows by your side, down and up. Okay, if you have rounded shoulders or upper back, I want you to stay right here. Or you're going to do a push-up against the wall. Ready? Let's go. This is kind of your warm-up here. Inhale down, exhale to push. So yes, my heels are lifting because I'm trying to move as a block. We're going to go for 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Good, and release. Okay, now I'm going to go right on my knees. You can put a cushion to protect them. And we're going to do this one. So you can do nice and slow, or you can do faster to bring your heart rate up. Again, just watch your nose. Are you ready? Let's go. Inhale, exhale. Arms are tight. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 2. Last one. Good. And release. Let's go on your back. We're going to do a bridge. We're going to keep the buttock up towards the sky. Okay, you can choose to be on your heels or feet flat. Arms up, shoulders in the pockets and in contact with the mat. Let's open one arm at a time. Inhale, exhale, keeping the hips square. Good. So again, you can use weights if you have some. I'm going to go for 8 more. Contract your glutes. 7. Shoulders are down, away from your ears. Let's go for 5, 4, 3. I feel my glutes. In 2. 1 more each side. Good. And release. You're welcome to bring your knees to your chest. Okay, your other one, second last already. Do you remember? You're going to go down, cobra, inhale, exhale slowly, downward facing dog. That's your option one. Option two, you do it from your toes, down, up, and downward. Choose your option. Let's start. So make sure your shoulders are staying down. Open the shoulders towards the back. And let's go up. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and downward. 8 more. If you started right here, you're getting tired, go back to option one. 6, 5, 4. Oof, I feel it. My triceps are burning. And 3. I did a lot of triceps today in my workout. Good. Oh, 2 more to go. Oh, I'm going to go back to easier. Ah, last one. That's it. Ah, good. And release. Ah, do you need to rotate your shoulders backwards? We have one more exercise to go. It's going to be a plank. So you choose how you want to do your plank. I give you plenty of options. You can do it on your forearms as well. I'm going to be on my hands. I'm going to be wider hands, feet together. Okay? Let's go. Hold it without holding the breath. Shoulders in the pockets. Just breathe. Bring your abs in. I don't mind if you bring your bum up. I don't want you to arch your back for safety. Press on your fingers. If you're choosing this option, it's going to help your wrist. Let's go again for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly release. Rotate again your shoulder. Okay, we need to stretch the chest. And like I said, a lot of people have rounded shoulders. So I really need to focus on opening the chest with them. So I like this one. I go right in the corner of a wall. I'm going to bend the front leg and I'm going to open. So my elbows are very close to my body and come here. So feel the opening in your shoulders and chest. And we usually stay there for 30 seconds, but I'm going to move. So see here, I'm going to bring my hands a little bit higher, not much, and go back. Keeping the shoulders down. You can bring your arms a little bit higher. When I'm going, I want to stretch as well your minor pec right here. Okay, can we go a little bit higher? No pain in the shoulders. This is not for everybody. And if you can, higher. Are you keeping your shoulders down? Good. And slowly release and rotate your shoulders backwards. Voila. These were your 5 different exercises to work your chest. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you again very soon.